Welcome to my lesson on validation. Today I will discuss how we validate data using sets with specific reference to the in operator. What does the term validation mean? When we validate data, we are actually testing or checking the input of data to see if it matches a certain criteria. So let's look at how we are going to be using the in operator. This is a syntax of the in operator. Using the in operator, I'm checking the value stored in a variable. Is it included in a set of values? And the set of values must be in square brackets. The value that is stored in this variable must be of an ordinal data type. It could either be integer, char, or boolean. The different ways in which sets can be used. In a range of values. So if I age in the range 13 to 18, so I'm asking if I age is in or between 13 to 18. If it is between 13 to 18, then this test case will return true. And it will be between 13 inclusive and 18 inclusive. In the next example, I'm testing individual values. So I'm checking if I age using the in operator is 13 or 14 or 15 or 16 or 17 or 18. And when I'm testing individual values, it's separated by a comma. In the next example, I'm using a combination of a range of values and individual values. So I'm checking if I age in, it could be between 5 and 12, both inclusive, or between 13 and 18, both inclusive, or the number 19. If it is included in these ranges, or the number 19, it will display a message, is a learner at school. In this example, I'm checking the data type char. If C letter in A to Z, so it's between A and Z, and I'm checking lowercase characters A to Z, both inclusive. Note that a character is written in single quotes. In this example, I'm checking if C letter in uppercase characters, capital letter A to capital letter Z, whether it is between A and Z. In this example, I'm checking both lowercase characters and uppercase characters. So A to Z or capital letter A to capital letter Z. In the last example, I'm checking if a char variable called C surname using the in operator is of specific characters. I'm checking just is that character an A or a B or a C. I've prepared two activities for you, so let's look at the two activities. In activity 1, you're going to write a Delphi program called Using Sets to do the following. Write code for the button called vowels. When the button vowels is clicked, your program has allowed the user to enter a character using an input box. Test if the character entered is a vowel or a consonant. If it is a vowel, your program must display on a rich edit component the letter is a vowel. If it is not a vowel, your program must display on a rich edit component the letter is a consonant. This is an example of your GUI. This is a rich edit component to display, and I've got a button for activity 1 on vowels and a button called validate for your activity 2. On the button validate, when btn validate is clicked, your project or your code must do the following. Enter a character using an input box. Your program must check if the character entered is a digit or a letter. If it is a digit, display is a digit. If it is a character, display is a letter of the alphabet. I hope you enjoy these 2 activities. Thank you, learners, for listening. Stay motivated, stay inspired, and follow me on my next video.